Hello guys, this is Fiona from MF Windows and DOS. Let's check the quality of DOS and Windows, including air tightness, water tightness, ring pressure, resistance, smell insulation performance, sound insulation performance. Second, check the door and windows glass, insulation glass, magnetic glass, tempered glass, etc. View points, view size, reflectance, view size light, transmittance, sending conflict, transfer, conflict, impact resistance, blank magnetation, states, appearance, quality, dimensional dimension. Thirdly, check the profile of DOS and Windows, tensile strength, coating thickness, wall thickness. If you want to learn more, welcome to contact us.